Hello, today we're going to be showing you how to log into Exam4. First, look up Exam4, then click the link. Search Georgetown University. You're going to want to go under Business School, McDonough School of Business. Fill in the fields that say name and last name. When you're doing it personally, obviously you won't do MSBTC, you'll be putting your own name in there. After every field is filled in, we're going to go ahead and click Continue after correctly selecting our operating system. Then we're going to click Download Exam4 for macOS 12 Monterey or whatever your operating system might be. Open Downloads, click it again. You're going to want to drag it to the Applications folder to start the download. When this prompt shows up, you're going to want to click Open. And then, once Exam4 opens, click Next. Prepare to start exam, Next again. When that comes up, you're going to want to click Continue and Next. And for exam ID, you're just going to put your name. For the course drop-down menu, your professor will have told you which exam number is the correct one to select. So you'll find that on the menu. And once you've verified that you have all the correct information selected, click Next.